What started as a small company selling shoes from the trunk of a car eventually became one of the most powerful brands in the world. Today, Nike is worth over $100 billion. But Nike didn't become a global empire just because it makes great shoes. Behind its success is one of the most powerful branding strategies ever created. A strategy built around three simple words: just do it. Nike's story began in 1964. At the time, a young entrepreneur named Phil Knight teamed up with his former track coach, Bill Bowerman. Their mission was simple: create better running shoes for athletes. The company was originally called Blue Ribbon Sports, and in the early days, they didn't even have a store. Phil Knight would travel to track meets and sell shoes directly to athletes from the trunk of his car. It was a small operation, but they believed in something important. Athletes deserved better equipment, and if they could help athletes perform better, the brand would grow naturally. But building a global company from scratch was not easy. At the time, the sneaker market was already dominated by bigger brands with more money and more recognition. Nike needed something different, something that would separate them from everyone else. In the 1970s and early 1980s, competition in the sportswear industry was intense. Many companies were selling athletic shoes. Most brands focused only on product features: better materials, better comfort, better performance. But Nike realized something powerful. If they only competed on product features, they would always be fighting a price war. Instead, Nike decided to compete on something much bigger: emotion, identity, and belief. In 1988, Nike launched what would become one of the most iconic marketing campaigns in history. 3 simple words: just do it. Those words changed everything. The campaign wasn't about selling shoes, it was about inspiring people. Nike wanted every person watching their ads to feel something powerful: motivation, confidence, courage. The message was simple: no matter who you are, no matter where you start, you have the power to push your limits. And that emotional message connected with millions of people around the world. Suddenly, Nike wasn't just a sports brand. It became a symbol of determination and personal achievement. Another key part of Nike's strategy was partnering with the world's best athletes. One of the most important partnerships in Nike's history was with basketball legend Michael Jordan. When Nike signed Michael Jordan in 1984, it changed the sneaker industry forever. The Air Jordan line became more than just a basketball shoe. It became a cultural phenomenon. Fans didn't just buy the shoes because of their design. They bought them because they wanted to feel connected to greatness. Nike understood something powerful. People don't just buy products. They buy stories. They buy inspiration. They buy identity. Nike's marketing focuses on emotion rather than product features. Their advertisements rarely talk about materials or technology. Instead, they focus on human stories. Stories of athletes overcoming challenges. Stories of determination. Stories of people pushing beyond their limits. Whether it's professional athletes or everyday runners, Nike's message is always the same: you have the power to achieve more. That emotional storytelling created a deep connection between the brand and its audience. And that connection is what built long-term loyalty. Today, Nike is one of the most recognizable brands on the planet. From professional sports leagues to everyday fitness enthusiasts, the brand is everywhere. What started as a small company selling running shoes became a global empire. But the real reason behind Nike's success is not just product quality, it's brand identity. Nike doesn't just sell shoes, it sells motivation, it sells ambition, it sells belief. There's an important lesson here for every entrepreneur and business owner. Don't just sell products, Build a brand that stands for something. Tell powerful stories. Create emotional connections. And give people a reason to believe in what you do. That's the strategy that helped Nike grow into $100 billion brand. And it all started with 3 simple words. Just do it.